Hey guys, it's ID and welcome to aidyscouture. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this exaggerated tulle sleeve. This is a shorter version of this sleeve. This is what we'll be working with, and this is the longer version of the sleeve. Before we go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do make sure to do so and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. This is our tulle. We have 10 yards of tulle, and for our satin, we just need 1 yard of satin. So this is 10 yards of tulle. We're going to be measuring it. It's folded, so you fold it and then you measure from the hem here. We're measuring 11 inches, okay? So this is 11 inches. Okay. Again, 11 inches. I'm going to draw a straight line. From here, we'll measure another 11 inches. To cut what we've just measured. Try making your cutting as neat as possible because we're not going to fold the hem of each of these, so you have to cut it neatly. The length of our client sleeve is 22 inches. This is an off-shoulder dress, but it's going to start from here. So there's no need taking off 5 inches, okay? So from here to here, we have 22 inches. And we're going to add 2 inches for all forms of allowance, making it 24 inches. Put the same thing here. Now, her round sleeve is 13 inches, and this is on fold, so 13 divided by 2 is 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So we're working with 6.5 for the round sleeve. But this is not going to be tight, it's somehow free, so we'll be adding just 1 inch for the dress, okay? We'll be adding just 1 inch for the free nature of the dress, and then 2-inch allowance for all forms of allowance, okay? So we'll connect this. this part, it's an off shoulder dress, so it's an off shoulder by 5 inches. So we'll be stepping down. This is the hem of the dress, so this is 5 inches, and our armhole depth is usually 8 inches. So we're going to be measuring 8 inches here, and then since it's a 5 inch off shoulder dress, this side is going to be 5 inches plus 1 inch allowance for, you know, all forms of allowance. So drawing that, we have so we're going to cut through that. Because of this hand, let's see. Okay, before I go ahead, you know that this would be somewhat folded, okay? So it will be folded by, let's say, 1 inch. So we're going to make that step down here. We're going to step down by 1 inch again. Sorry, I didn't take note of that. We're stepping down by 1 inch to create the armhole, okay? Because there will be a fold here. So we'll just readjust that. Okay, and we're done. So all we'd have to do is to attach our sleeves, attach our ruffles, and we're done. This lower part, we folded it. Okay, so we'll be drawing the lines wherein we'll fix our tool. From here, okay, we're going to measure 3 inches. Okay, from 3 we have 6 inches, we have 9 inches, we have 12. In multiples of 3, we have 15 inches, we have 18, and then we're going to leave this 21 because it's closed. We'll be flipping this over. I'll explain that when I'm fixing my tool. So we'll just use our rule to draw a straight line. So this is where we're fixing our tools, okay? So we'll do the same thing for the other sleeves, and I'll show you guys what next. Taking each of our tools, and then we'll just gather them here. Make sure both sides are equal. Then we gather them on that line. We are not pleating, we are gathering, please. There's a difference. Keep making sure both sides are equal. At this point, we're going to flip our dress to the wrong side, and we're going to gather our tulle at the wrong side of the dress. Okay, right now we'll turn it back to the right side. Put the two ruffled tulles together and then press it down by sewing it. Okay, this is what we got after we were done with the dress. The same technique was used here, the actual technique to be precise, and the same technique was used here also, just that this is a with shoulder dress. So when cutting it, you're cutting it as a with shoulder dress, not an off shoulder dress. If this video was helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share the video, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye. See you guys next time.